Let us welcome the Chair of the Commission Advocation of CBCP, no other than His Excellency, Most Reverend Roberto Orentaib Gaa PB.
As a community, as a congregation, we need to listen to other congregations as well. What are the best practices? But it will really depend on you. What will you imbibe? What will you take in? And maybe, what will you set aside as maybe not effective for you? It will really depend on you. Okay? So, we need to gather data, we need to make a survey, and it will focus on new members.
We will see totoo nga ba o ano ang kalagayan natin sa loob ng community. Meron bang support ang mga commentors ng Converse sa loob ng seminary?
Maria, 17 years as a priest. Dahil napagtulungan ako, binuli ako.
Today we gather with joy and, of course, hope for this historic moment, the first ever National Conference for Religious Vocation Rectors and Directresses of the Philippines. Maraming salamat sa mga officers ng PBP. Kasama ba ako dun sa officer?
Thought of becoming a Vincentian priest or brother? Join us. For those interested to join, you may send a message to Vincentian Vocation Congregation of the Mission and Daughters of Charity Facebook page, Vincent Connect Facebook page, vincentconnects@gmail.com, the Vocation Director mobile number 091777743569 or landline number 7700434441 and 70077352.